bubble company industry that we've all talked about. I do think there's another sort of irony in there that it is interesting. So if an industrial bubble is better because there are suddenly a lot of pieces that are lying around that we can build something with, doesn't that also mean that that's where we're going to experience the pain if there is a bubble that pops here? It's not
sure.
The way in which communities are going to suffer is not because there is some sort of financial investment thing that unravels. It's because all the HVAC guys lost their job.
Yes. Go back. Let's just make a simple allegory to the dot-com bubble. The 2001-03 dot-com bubble and recession that came with it mainly hit people that were in the upper income brackets because they were the ones invested in all these shitty companies, for lack of a better word. Right now, you have much more participation in the stock market across income demographics, not just in the top 20%. And what little money that lower income quintiles have in the stock market, sure, if this doesn't work out, they're going to take a hit too. And you would hope that hit doesn't start to feed on itself and ultimately cause a recession. That is a risk.
Well, this last part I want to get into a little bit is this circular investing. Banker Bill, do I have it right that there's kind of three companies that are really driving this sector? There's the ChatGPTs, the LLM-only companies that are supposed to be on the cutting edge. There's the hardware companies, the NVIDIAs, who are producing the technology, the hardware that's actually going to be able to achieve these results. And then you have these sort of in-between companies, the Googles, the Microsofts, where they're putting a lot of money into their AI division, but they still have completely profitable, stable parts of their business doing lots of things completely unrelated to AI. It feels like they're starting to move a lot of money between the three of them. And this just doesn't feel like it's classic market-driven, profit-driven, greed is good capitalism where people are making bets and they're winners and losers.